Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics, and today's video is pretty self-explanatory. Voting for new videos. So this came up a while ago and I've been on the fence about it, but lots more discussions, lots more suggestions been coming up a lot more. So I thought I'd look at, so this is actually our admin, Cardinal here, actually laid out, actually did everything on this Discord server. So I want to give Cardinal some props and say thank you. And I thought this was very telling that now we can actually go over what we have here. So we have 3 other video suggestions, but it is down here in the vote for a video where there's a bot that manages this. When you enter a message for the video that you'd like, it will self-populate and have a up and a down. So don't be discouraged if you see a down vote. It's just so it will be there. So it isn't anybody voting. I guess somebody, I don't want to show that. I guess somebody did downvote for networking. But I did want to take, because I did have another idea to kind of link everything together for our cryptography, but I thought this would be a great start to the week. So if you have not joined down in the Discord, jump over there, comment, post a video idea, and then watch how many other people upvote it, and we can go from there. But this is the quick video of how to use the vote for video. So as always, guys, thank you so much. But I can't comment enough about the Discord server, because not only will it probably get seen faster than a comment, other people will get alerts because we have an admin, we have a mod, and numerous members on here constantly. And a lot of the questions get answered even before I see them. So you're constantly getting support. You're constantly learning, constantly getting challenged. So we'll lead you in the right direction, because it's so much more valuable if you can figure it out on your own. So there we go, guys. As always, thank you so much for watching. Make sure you stay tuned until the end to check out some of these videos. And as always, thanks for watching. Stay tuned, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys. Hey, guys. Thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye, guys.